Hello, lovely people. Welcome back again to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today, I share with you this delicious Ghana party chips recipe. So, let's check on the ingredients. I have some all purpose flour over here, some nut milk, and also salt and sugar, which is optional. I'll also use margarine, but if you have butter you can also. Then half cup of water. I also have some baking powder, and this is my grated garlic and onion. So these are the ingredients I'll use for my chips. So now into a bowl I'll add my nut milk and then go in with my baking powder, salt, and then mix them together. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, hello, my name is Gertrude and you are welcome to my channel. We make food recipes. If you are interested, kindly subscribe to the channel. So at this point, I will go in with my margarine and then mix them together. So guys, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so over here is my half cup of water and my sugar. I then mix them together. I said earlier on this is optional. You can omit it. I decided to add it. So I also went ahead to add my grated onion and garlic. Then add some of the water to the flour and then mix them gradually until a dough is formed. And also, I want to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my video, leaving a comment. I do appreciate all your support, and I won't have been here without your love. I'm truly grateful for all that you guys are doing. Thank you so much. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and the name is GettyCooks. If you are still watching after this time and you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and also share this video to reach wider audience. Okay, so from at this point our dough is beautifully formed and it came out so nice. So I'll just go ahead, divide them into 3 equal parts for easy rolling.
Let's go.
Alright guys, at this point I added some flour on my board, placed the dough and also spread some flour on it, and then roll it until it becomes very flat. Okay guys, at this point I'm going to cut into the size and the shape that I prefer. So I went in for a very thin shape, but if you want a thick one you can also do it. So I'm using my knife to do this, but if you have a pastry cutter machine you can also use it. It will also do the work perfectly for you. Even though the knife takes time, I was able to get all the thin shape that I want. So this is what I'm going for, very thin. But you want it thick, you can also go for it. So I could be doing this until I finish it all. So this is after cutting all the dough. This is what I had, and I spread some flour on it just to prevent it from sticking to each other. Whilst doing this, the oil is already heated, and I placed one inside to check the hotness. It was hot, so I went in with the other chips and fried them on a medium heat. The fire should not be too high and it should not be too low too. Alright fam, so our party chips is ready and I'm just taking it off from the oil. So this is how I will fry the rest of the chips too. After everything, this is what I had. It came out so perfect, lovely and yummy as well. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. And if you find this video interesting, kindly give this video a thumbs up, share this video to also reach wider audience. So after everything, this is how I stored it in a container. If you have a Ziploc bag, you can also store the chips inside. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, see you in my next video. Bye.